Now that was the poem My Last Duchess, a dramatic monologue where throughout the poem we have only one speaker who is addressing someone and we do not know whom. But as I said, in context it would be the courier of Ferdinand II, the Count of Tyrol, and he is talking about his late wife and about his new engagement. And we get a lot of insight into the Victorian society through this poem. For example, how were females actually treated in the Victorian society, what kind of morality existed in the Victorian society, how much were female allowed to express their natural sensuousness or their natural sexuality is something that we get to know from this particular poem. How much rights were they given, we know from this poem, and how much the class system affected the lives of the people in England, we get to know from this poem. We also get to know from this poem the presence of a social evil known as dowry, how even the rich men would ask for dowry though they have enough at their home, as the speaker in this poem refers to the Neptune. Notice Neptune when he says towards the end of the poem, and though I have everything at my home, but even if I do ask for dowry, you will have to provide me that. That was a lecture on My Last Duchess, a poem by Robert Browning, and I hope that this lecture was useful for you. Thank you for watching and keep watching the world of literature.